Chapter 4. The Keeper of the Keys. Boom! A loud knock comes again. Uncle Vernon runs into the room. "Who is there?" he shouts. He holds a rifle in his hands. Now everyone knows what he had in his bag yesterday. "Who is it? I have a gun!" There is a short pause. Then the door breaks open with a huge crash and falls into the room. A giant man stands in the doorway. His face is hidden behind long, messy hair and a big black beard. But you can see his bright eyes under his hair. The giant walks into the room. His head is almost touching the ceiling. "Can you make us a cup of tea, please?" he asks. "It was very hard to find you," the giant says. "And here is Harry. The last time I saw you, you were just a baby. You look like your dad, but you have your mother's eyes." "Go away right now," yells Uncle Vernon. "You are here illegally." "Shut up, Dudley, you big fool," says the giant. He takes the gun from Uncle Vernon's hands very easily. He bends the metal gun like it is soft rubber. He throws the gun into a corner. Uncle Vernon makes a small, scared sound like a mouse. "Well, Harry," says the giant with a smile. "Happy birthday. You are 11 years old today. Congratulations." Harry looks at him in surprise. "Who are you?" he asks. "Oh, I am sorry, Harry. I am Rubeus Hagrid, keeper of keys and grounds at Hogwarts. But you can call me Hagrid. Everyone does. I am sure you know all about Hogwarts." No," answers Harry. Hagrid looks very shocked. "You do not know about Hogwarts?" He looks angrily at the Dursleys in the corner. "I knew you did not get our letters, but I never thought you did not know about Hogwarts at all. Did you never ask where your parents learned magic?" "Learned what?" asks Harry, very confused. "Learned magic," Hagrid yells. He looks at the Dursleys like a storm. "You did not tell this boy anything about Hogwarts?" Then he looks back at Harry. "You do not know anything about our world. Your parents' world?" "What world?" asks Harry. Hagrid looks very angry. "Dudley!" he shouts. Uncle Vernon shakes with fear. "Harry, you must know about your mom and dad," Hagrid says. "They are famous, and you are famous too." "Me? My mom and dad?" asks Harry. "You do not know," Hagrid says sadly. "You do not know who you are, Harry. You do not know what you are." "Stop!" yells Uncle Vernon. "I tell you not to say anything." "Go away, Dursley, you fat fool," answers Hagrid. "Harry, you are a wizard." "I am a what?" asks Harry. "A wizard, of course," says Hagrid. "One of the best. With a mom and dad like yours, what else could you be? Now, you need to read your letter." Hagrid takes a yellow envelope from his pocket. The address has green ink. Mr. H. Potter. The floor, house on the rock, the sea. Harry takes the letter and reads it. Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Headmaster Albus Dumbledore. Dear Mr. Potter, we are happy to tell you that you are accepted at Hogwarts. The school starts on September 1st. Please write back by owl before July 31st. Sincerely, Minerva McGonagall, Deputy Head Mistress. Harry has many questions. He does not know what to ask first. Hagrid asks, "Well, Harry, are you ready to go? Hogwarts is waiting." Uncle Vernon says, "He is not going." "You cannot stop him, you fat muggle," growls Hagrid. "What is a muggle?" asks Harry. "A muggle is a person with no magic, like your uncle," says Hagrid. "And it is very bad that you grew up with these people. We promised we would never let him be a wizard." "It is all fake," says Uncle Vernon. "You knew?" asks Harry, looking at his aunt and uncle. "You knew I am a wizard?" "Yes," yells Aunt Petunia. "We knew. My horrible sister was a witch, too. She got a letter like you. She went to that school and came back with magic. She turned teacups into rats. She was a freak. But our parents loved her best. Lily this, Lily that. Then she met that Potter boy, and they had you. I knew you would be the same. Then she died, and we had to take care of you." "She died?" asks Harry. "You told me she died in a car crash." "Car crash?" Hagrid screams at them. "A car crash did not kill Lily and James Potter. That is crazy. I cannot believe Harry does not know his own story." Hagrid looks very sad. "I did not know. Dumbledore said it might be hard to find you, but not this hard. I have to tell you the truth about your past." Hagrid takes a deep breath. "It starts with a person. I do not like to say his name. No one in our world says his name." "Why not?" asks Harry. "People are still scared, Harry. A wizard went bad a long time ago. He became very powerful. Dark days came. Good wizards died. He took control of everything. Hogwarts was one of the only safe places because Dumbledore was the only one he feared." Hagrid continues, "Your mom and dad were the best wizards. They were at Hogwarts too. But the Dark Wizard found them 10 years ago on Halloween. You were just a baby." Hagrid takes out a big handkerchief and wipes his nose. "He killed your mom and dad. And then he tried to kill you." Harry listens. "He tried to kill me? And this is the big mystery," says Hagrid. "He could not kill you. That cut on your forehead is the mark of a powerful curse. Your house was destroyed, but you lived. That is why you are famous, Harry." Harry remembers things in his head, a green flash of light and a cold, cruel laugh. "I found you in the house, under the broken wood," says Hagrid, looking at the Dursleys with hate. "Listen to me, boy," Uncle Vernon. "We took you in. Your parents were freaks, and they got what they wanted." Hagrid stands up fast. He takes his pink umbrella and points it at Uncle Vernon like a sword. "One more word, and I will." Uncle Vernon becomes very quiet and scared. "Good," says Hagrid. "And what happened to the Dark Wizard?" Harry asks. "Good question, Harry. He disappeared. He is gone. Some say he died. I do not think so. But he lost all his power. Something happened that night because of you, Harry. No one knows what, but he is gone." Harry is still confused. "I am not a wizard. I cannot be famous." Hagrid laughs. Not a wizard. Did you ever make strange things happen when you were angry? Harry thinks. Yes. At the zoo, the glass disappeared and the snake got out. Harry smiles. Hagrid smiles back. You will see when you go to Hogwarts, says Hagrid. Uncle Vernon shouts again. He is not going. He goes to a normal school. A muggle cannot stop him, says Hagrid. He is James and Lily's son. He goes to Hogwarts. I will not pay for an old man to teach him magic, yells Uncle Vernon. Hagrid gets very angry. He lifts his umbrella. Never insult Dumbledore. He moves the umbrella toward Dudley. There is a bright light and a loud sound. Dudley screams. He jumps up and down in pain. There is a small pink pigtail on his pants. Uncle Vernon takes Aunt Petunia and Dudley into the other room and closes the door fast. My spell did not work right, says Hagrid, confused. I wanted to make him a pig, but he is fat enough. He looks at Harry. Please do not tell anyone at Hogwarts about this. I am not allowed to use magic. Why? Asks Harry. Well, I was a student at Hogwarts, but I was expelled. Dumbledore let me stay as the gamekeeper. He is a great man. Why were you expelled? Oh, Harry, it is late, says Hagrid. Lie down by the fire and sleep. We have a big day tomorrow. Hogwarts is waiting for you, Harry. Thank you so much for listening to this story with me. I hope you enjoyed this magical adventure and learned some new English words. My name is Raskoff, and I'm very happy to share these stories with you. If you want to support this channel and help me make more videos, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who also want to learn English. See you in the next chapter. Have a wonderful day.